Isabel did her first runway show here in Paris just over 30 years ago, and since then has really built this identity of feminine power. Our guiding principles are power, generosity, and pleasure, and what we're really trying to do at the moment is bring them to life in our stores. Rather than giving one particular brand or collection story systematically to each of our clients, we really want them to feel like they are welcomed, that they are comfortable, that we are creating something that is uniquely theirs.
Hospitality has been natural for us, but we want to make it an identified competence.
We chose to partner with EHL due to their experience and expertise in the world of hospitality and, of course, their unique approach in integrating that into luxury retail experiences. When we began working with EHL, we went through a very detailed discovery phase.
For the kind of project that we are conducting, it's really important to understand the gap between the actual experience of the brand and the experience that the brand is aiming at.
EHL were very curious. They wanted to know where we were strong, where we were facing challenges, and that gave us the opportunity to really discuss our business in depth. That involved store visits, that involved employee interviews, and also a roundtable with the senior leadership team to see really how they could make this program sing for us, for our teams, and in the future, obviously, for our clients. The EHL program was delivered over 2 fully immersive days, involving traditional classroom training, lectures, role plays, ateliers, and different exercises. Not only do EHL train hospitality, they actually exemplify it. We saw it everywhere on the campus, everywhere we turned. We were greeted, we were hosted, we were welcomed. They really do live by their values. It's been really exciting off the back of this program to see an uplift already in team engagement. We're already seeing a certain fluidity and freedom around our client experience, much more fun, exciting, much more human and interpersonal.
The major impact has been the increase of the awareness of hospitality and its impact on the business in the management team. So it's becoming something more professional, and that's a pillar of our identity.
Hospitality is not just a way to think, it's also a way to act.
What we're seeing now is the teams, managers are taking a step back and realizing that they are part of this bigger picture, which allows them the freedom and the creativity to create and craft these unique bespoke experiences for every single client that walks into our store. As a brand at Isabel Marant, we are in an eternal state of evolution, and EHL have already proven that they can evolve with us and adapt their content. We've seen great results from this first cohort of training. Now, as we go to deploy globally, we know that we will need to evolve the content to be more locally or regionally sensitive. But then, once we've achieved stage 1, what does stage 2 look like? What is stage 3? And I know that EHL will be there to guide and to support us in those different stages.